on YouTube, you don't know Shickaa Chung, and I'm back at it again today with another video. Today is Vlogmas day 16. Yes, guys, so for today, I never really had anything planned. Like, literally, it's late at night right now. As you guys know, if you guys watched my last video, like, I wasn't really, like, in the mood. And then, obviously, like, the day before that, I missed Vlogmas day 14 because of, what's it called? Being jet lagged. Like, guys, I've been so busy this week. Like, since I came back from Florida, I just been working. And then on top of that, I'm so busy with, like, my mom's cake business. I literally, like, if you guys watched my video before, you guys know that, like, I'm her, like, admin person. Like, I take the orders, I make sure she's on top of things, I make sure that she's baking the right size cakes and all of that. And, like, I just been super busy. On this Sunday, we're gonna be a part of the Pink Party Expo. It's being held here in Toronto. House of London. Let me just close my door because my husband's playing a game. It's being held here in Toronto, held by House of London. So we're gonna be there. We have a booth there, so I'm pretty excited. You know, we're gonna sell our rum cake. We have rum punch. We have sorrel. We have rum shot cupcakes. You guys never really knew about, like, this side of me, so guys, I'm gonna make sure you guys follow these accounts. Follow Cakes by Nick Snacks. That is where we sell our rum cakes and our sorrel and our cupcakes and stuff like that. So I'm so excited. So I'm here, like, trying to prepare for it. I'm trying to think of how we're gonna set up the booth and how we're gonna place the items on the booth. And I got this light, like, so basically what I want to do, I want to get, like, a bowl, and I want to put, like, the bottles in it, and I want to put this on the bottom. Shit, I forgot there's no battery in here right now, but there's different colors, and it came with this remote, and I can change the colors. I can make it brighter, I can make it dimmer, I can make it flush, I can make it fade right out. Like, so I'm kind of excited for that. So yeah, quick little update. For the next coming days as well for Vlogmas, I'm trying to do a gingerbread house with my nephew, because as you guys seen, my nephew Andrick is with me, so we're gonna be trying to do a gingerbread house. I'm still trying to do the Bath and Body Works haul. I wanted to do it today, but yo, honestly, time caught up to me, so I'm not gonna do that until probably next week. Honestly, guys, from this weekend till Christmas, it is so busy, and I'm trying to literally, like, just record my day. Let me just record my day. Let me just vlog. It seems like you guys like when I vlog and like hearing me talk, so I'm gonna continue to do that. I'm not gonna force myself to make a sit-down video when, you know, my viewers love when I talk. So I'm so glad that I'm so thankful for all of you guys that's been watching my video so far and supporting. There's Shanette, there's Lisanne, there's Jasmine Nelson, Something Better. There's a lot of you guys that's been, like, supporting me consistently, always posting on my videos, or always commenting on my videos, always liking my videos, and I'm so thankful for you guys. You guys motivate me. I don't really get a lot of views, but seeing you guys comment makes me know that, you know, people are actually out there, actually watching me and actually engaging with my content, actually sitting down and watching my whole video. So I'm so thankful for you guys. Big up on yourself. Oh, there's Life as Pretty as well. She's always supporting me. I'm so thankful for you guys. So I have big hopes for YouTube. Like, it's very slow to build yourself on YouTube, but I think once you're consistent, you can gain an audience. And you know what? I'm thankful for you guys. As I said, we can chat. Let's sit and chat. Let's sit and, you know, discuss anything you guys want me to talk about. I'll come on here and talk about. If you want, like, a girl talk type of thing, if you guys want a life talk, because guys, me young, but me go through a whole heap in my life. I'm telling you, advice videos, anything like that, if you guys want that, you know, let me know. But this video is so all over the place. First I started talking about cake, now I'm talking about, like, life advice. But whatever, guys, I'm free to talk about what I want to talk about, right? But yeah, guys, so right now, yo, I'm tired of school now. I'm tired. Today is the last day for like all my classes. I did a test today. I still have 2 assignments to put to send in, so I need to do that right now. I'm almost done one of them, and then the other one, like, it's kind of hardish, but they're very short assignments, so I should get them up before 12 a.m. So I'm gonna go deal with that. But I just want to give you guys a quick update for this Vlogmas. All my Vlogmas seems boring, except for when I was in Florida. The Florida ones were sick, you know. But guys, when life hits you and when you're just busy, it's hard to be consistent. It's so hard. But that is what Vlogmas does. Vlogmas tests you. Vlogmas tests to see if you can be consistent and post every single day for 25 days in December. And you know, it helps show how disciplined you are, and you know, so it helps me work on myself still. So guys, right now I'm hungry. I'm gonna eat all day. Right now I'm kind of tired, but I can't go sleep. And yeah, I have things to deal with. But yes, guys, I hope you guys like this little chit chat for Vlogmas day 16. Make sure that you guys like this video. Make sure that you guys subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you guys leave a comment down below on anything that you want to see from me, or anything that you liked about what I talked about, or you know, anything at all. But yes, guys, I'm just gonna end it off right here. Very quick 6-minute video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for Vlogmas day 17, guys. Later.